Welcome to my video on affiliate marketing for beginners, finding your niche, where I'm going to help you find your place in this very crowded market. There's lots of ways to engage your audience, and it's easier than ever to get involved in affiliate marketing. But the question I want to help you answer is, where do I start? In a moment, I'm going to provide you with a decision-making filter that my partner and I came up with that might help you make it easier to figure out exactly where you want to spend your time and resources. The first question, though, we need to ask ourselves is, why affiliate marketing? What is it about affiliate marketing that is so appealing? The first thing is, you don't need a product or a service that you have to support. And believe me, that's a big thing, because that back-end support infrastructure is expensive and difficult. Second, it's scalable, meaning depending on the amount of time and effort and resources that you want to put into it, you can build an affiliate marketing business as big as you'd like. Number three is it usually offers a high degree of flexibility. And what I mean by that is it gives you the lifestyle flexibility that maybe you're looking for, or most people are looking for. It's not a 9-to-5 job, basically. The fourth reason I can think of is it can create recurring income. And that's extremely important in any business. And there are plenty of opportunities around affiliate marketing where you can create recurring income every single month. And then the last reason is others are doing most of the work for you. Kind of goes back to the first item, which is you don't need a product or service. Okay, so let's talk about niche marketing. What is it really? It's basically a way to focus on smaller segments of the market. You can do that by budget, demographics, geography, even client interest or preferences. It's where you can add value. Some people call it vertical marketing. It's where you can bring more to a smaller segment of the market, and there can even be micro niches within each niche, which is just a way of drilling down into an area that maybe you know better or maybe you can serve better. The first question you need to ask is, who will you serve and why? What does this person look like, and what problem are you solving for them? And you need to ask, what are people struggling with that I can help them with? For small businesses, it's generally revenue or more income, whereas with consumers, they're generally motivated to avoid problems. So think about it that way. And also, you need to figure out, whatever it is, how you can solve a specific problem and make it easy for people to do business with you. I mentioned earlier that I had a decision-making filter, and I want to show that to you real quick. Okay, so here are some questions that you need to ask yourself. Basically, is there a problem I want to solve? And I emphasize want only because if your interest level and your excitement about the solution isn't high, then you're not going to be as interested as you would otherwise. And then, can I create the type of lifestyle that I want? Will I have the flexibility that I'd like to have? And then number three is, how much does it cost to get started? Of course, that can run the gamut from one extreme to the other, but you need to make sure that you know the answer to that question. And then what level of support, or really marketing support, because you're going to have to drive customer traffic towards whatever it is you're doing. So are you going to get the marketing support that will help you do that? And then number five was, does it create recurring income? That's always a critical component of any business and the best way to build a business long term. And then the last one was, finally, what is the ROI, or return on my investment, for the time and the money cost that I'm going to put into it? Here's a list of the top affiliate marketing niches based on research that's been done this year. I hope you found this information helpful. And don't forget to watch our next video, which is going to cover one of the most important pieces that you're going to need to build a successful business. And if you like this channel, please subscribe and feel free to leave any comments you'd like below.